Husband and wife relationship is a fragile one. A husband needs the support of his wife to carry on with his professional life, and also to meet his emotional and physical needs. To treat your wife like a queen is the impossible task, if you have remained single all the time. Well, don't you worry, it's not that difficult. Here's the 5 ways to impress your wife at home. Let's start from morning. Number 1. Wish her with a coffee. It's a good morning. Make her feel it's really good by offering a bed coffee. For this you have to wake up 10 minutes early than her, be silent and go to kitchen, or use coffee maker. Wake her gently with a calm voice with a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee will make her day bright, and this simple tip will change your day. Number 2. Help her in cooking. Oh, yes. Little bit tough for husbands who never visit kitchen. But, need is yours. Do you want to impress? Then keep your self-worth and laziness aside. Think about the happy face of your lovable wife. Then step inside the kitchen. You don't have to cook actually. You have to help her in cooking. Easy, little effort, easy to impress. Number 3. Take care of her hair. Do you know how much time an average woman spends to groom her hair in daily life? So this is the tip number 3. Sit behind her and help with brushing hair. This will really make her relax. This shows how much you care about her. After brushing, give a gentle head massage while talking. Number 4. Candlelight dinner at home. It's night time for dinner. Arrange your dining table with colorful things. Make it more classy by keeping glass utensils on table. Play calm piano music or her favorite album. But it should be calm and voice should be low. Make more dishes, light candle, dim lights, and sit near each other and enjoy the dinner. This is going to boost the emotion of your relationship. Number 5. Sleep while watching movie. Final tip. It's up to you how you should fall asleep. The tip is to invite her to the couch for watching a movie together. Play a romantic movie. Keep touching her head, and hold her hands to transfer the emotions of the movie. She will feel a special day got over and will appreciate you for the day. After a long period of time, the passion in a marriage can begin to fade. Keep the flame alive. Always. Because marriage is a lifetime commitment. Do you want to see more life hacks and tips? Then make sure you subscribe this channel. Because the daily contents will help you a lot. Stay home, be safe.